Start by doing it. I know, I know. Starting is really difficult for you, my friend. But try to understand, if you really want something, then bro, you need to do something in your life. You need to start. You just need to take a single step. Like a wise man said that if you need to go 1000 steps and you want to climb 1000 steps, so you need to start by one. You don't need to think about 1000. You just need about one, and just day after day you will achieve it, no matter what, my friend. So every time or anytime, if you think, bro, I don't want to start, but it is so difficult for me, I can't do it, what should I do? I'm really so coward, I can't talk with people. Bro, understand this. If you can't talk with people, just go for it. You get rejected, and you need to go because of what? You need to get slapped by girls, you need to get rejected by people, many people, so that you need to work only for 1 month in sales, and then you will understand, wow, this is my potential, I am this. And your communication will, like, here to here, so you can join and you can sell anything at all, anything. Then you also learn about sales, how sales work, what things should be say, or anything at all. You just need to go for it. There is no chance to give you a pill and you will understand everything so accurately and you don't need to do anything at all. Then that is bullshit. You need to do it. There is nothing, I can't give you any pill that will make you unstoppable, impeccable. There is no any pill. So you need to understand, my friend. You need to understand. You need to take action. You are not getting any results, like zero results. Just keep working. Just keep working. No matter what, no matter what, no matter what your mind say, bro, just quit. Results are not coming. Just quit. Then fuck it. Say, I am doing this because of I love it. I enjoy it. I love to be expressed. I just want to express my feelings, my thoughts. I don't want to be an NPC. I want to be a main character. I want to be a hero of my film. I don't want to be a side character. If I am fat, I will reduce my fat. If I am skinny, I will gain body. If I am not intelligent, then I will be consistent in everything. I just need to be consistent no matter what the fuck I am doing. I am not talented, then what? I need to be consistent. If I am just consistent, everything will be solved. Most of people lack in this thing, consistency. So I want to say, bro, just be consistent. Just be consistent. Just be consistent. If you do this thing for 1 year, then I will give you my number, and then we will talk. Yes, my friend. I give you a challenge. Can you do? Only for 1 year, 365 or long form content. Can you upload it? Can you make it? And if all humankind is against you, then one person will never against you. It's me, only me. I'm always with you, even you're doing something wrong. I know that doesn't mean if you're doing wrong, that's mean I'm with you. You need to talk with me, bro. I'm going to do this, and will you with me? Then of course I will. If you're not doing something illegal, and if you're doing something illegal, I'm not with you. Got it, my friend? If you're doing something that is really crazy thing, you are building something and nobody is believing you, then I will. If I am seeing you, you are giving a hell of efforts, then I would say, bro, you will change your whole generation. Your grandchildren will say, this is that person who built this generation. We don't need to work hard. We have so much, lots of money. So if you are doing this thing, if you are this type of mindset you need, bro. Just take action. This is a guru mantra. If you just take action, everything will change. You just need to understand this. And if you understand so deeply, then you would say, what the fuck, this is really so crazy thing I can do. So whenever you feel I don't want to do that, fuck it. Yes, fuck it. You don't need to do that. Yes, you don't need to do that. You just need to keep working. Keep working. If anybody says, what the fuck are you doing? Silence. Just be silent. You don't need to do and say anything at all. Just keep working, my friend. Just keep working. If anybody says, I am not believing you, then remember, I am with you, my friend. Just give a try. Give. Just try again. Fail better, my friend. Become something, my friend. Got it?